The mirror is my best friend because when I cry, it never laughs. Despair is a narcotic. It lulls the mind into indifference. Nothing is permanent in this wicked world, not even our troubles. You'll never find a rainbow if you're looking down. I always like walking in the rain, so no one can see me crying. To truly laugh, you must be able to take your pain and play with it. All I need to make a comedy is a park, a policeman, and a pretty girl. Life laughs at you when you are unhappy, life smiles at you when you are happy, but life salutes you when you make others happy. You have to believe in yourself. That's the secret. Man as an individual is a genius. But men in the mass form the headless monster, a great, brutish idiot that goes where prodded. Failure is unimportant. It takes courage to make a fool of yourself. I remain just one thing, and one thing only, and that is a clown. It places me on a far higher plane than any politician. Worry more about your conscience than your reputation. Because your conscience is what you are, your reputation is what others think of you. And what others think of you is their problem. A tramp, a gentleman, a poet, a dreamer, a lonely fellow, always hopeful of romance and adventure. We all want to help one another. Human beings are like that. We want to live by each other's happiness, not by each other's misery. Life is a tragedy when seen in close-up, but a comedy in long shot. To help a friend in need is easy, but to give him your time is not always opportune. Ideas come through an intense desire for them. Continually desiring, the mind becomes a watchtower on the lookout for incidents that may excite the imagination. Music, a sunset, may give the image to an idea. Although some we rarely see, the thought of them is comforting, like the pleasure of knowing there is a mooring somewhere, if occasionally we want to sail into port. You'll find that life is still worthwhile if you just smile. Look up to the sky, you'll never find a rainbow if you're looking down. Procreation is nature's principal occupation, and every man, whether he be young or old, when meeting every woman measures the potentiality of sex between them. Life can be wonderful if you're not afraid of it. All it needs is courage, imagination, and a little dough. Laughter is the tonic, the relief, the surcease from pain. Let us strive for the impossible. The great achievements throughout history have been the conquest of what seemed the impossible. Perfect love is the most beautiful of all frustrations because it is more than one can express. A day without laughter is a day wasted. A man's true character comes out when he's drunk. You'll find that life is still worthwhile if you just smile. Your naked body should only belong to those who fall in love with your naked soul. Nothing is permanent in this wicked world, not even our troubles. Failure is unimportant. It takes courage to make a fool of yourself. To truly laugh, you must be able to take your pain and play with it. Imagination means nothing without doing. Life is a beautiful, magnificent thing, even to a jellyfish. What do you want to mean for? Life is desire, not meaning. That's the trouble with the world. We all despise ourselves. Life can be incredible if you're not afraid of it. All it takes is courage, imagination, and a little dough. Life could be wonderful if people would leave you alone. I suppose that's one of the ironies of life, doing the wrong thing at the right moment. We think too much and feel too little. Which quote did you like the most? Share your opinion in the comments. Subscribe and turn on notifications, so you don't regret missing life-changing advice from some of the greatest thinkers in history.